And my heart feels tired when the noise around me pulls me every side.
I slow my breathing, I lift my eyes. I remember you are here, you've never left my side.
In the silence, I hear your voice calling me back to what matters most.
You are my focus, you are my peace. When my soul is shaken, you quiet me. You are my refuge, my open door. I don't need answers, I need you, Lord.
When my past reminds me of the wounds inside, when I try to heal myself, but I'm weak again.
I don't hide from you, I run to you. Every broken place in me, you already knew. In your presence, I can breathe. I don't have to be strong, you carry me. You are my focus, you are my peace. When my heart is hurting, you cover me. You are my healer, my resting place. I lay my worries down here in your grave. I let go of every fear I've been holding. I receive your peace, your healing. You are my focus, my only truth. Every part of me is drawn to you. You are my beginning, you are my end. Jesus, my Savior, my closest friend. You are my focus, you are my peace. I'm safe in your presence, I rest in you. You are my focus, you are my peace. You are my focus, you are my peace. I'm safe in your presence, I rest in you.